Welcome back to my channel. Looks like we got some snow over the weekend. Plan for today is install those mud flaps. Let's get going. Snowy one in Minnesota today. First off, I need to go pick up a new blade for the hacksaw so I can just quickly chop those bolts off, because I'm pretty sure there's going to be more bolts that need chopping off. So I'm going to quickly stop by the hardware store right now. Then I'm probably going to have to dig out my truck, because the plows, they plow around the truck, and in front of the truck there's a bunch of snow all the time, so I gotta get that out. It's going to be an exciting day today. All right, we got the blades. Now we're heading to the truck. Gonna clean out the snow and get rolling. So we're pulling up to the truck. And oh wow, this is shocking. Look at that. They usually go way around my truck and I have all the snow. But they actually did a pretty good job plowing here. They kind of really plowed really close to my truck, so it's pretty nice. I don't have to do that much work. Wow. Thanks, guys. Let's start up the truck. Alright, I unhooked the tractor from the trailer. Just gonna swap out this blade. As you can see, I already got this one on. From afar, this Peterbilt logo looks good. Looks pretty OEM, if you ask me. But if you get up close, of course, it's gonna look a little shady. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get the camera set up, and then I'm just gonna throw you guys on a time lapse. Alright guys, so I put the washer and then stick it through the holes, put another washer, and then I tighten it up with the nut. That's how I'm putting them on. I'm not gonna put any Loctite on them. I'm just gonna keep an eye on them and see if they are loose or whatnot, and then adjust accordingly. looks. This is how it looks right here. So I got the washer, the nut, and I'm just thinking if I should, let me know if I should cut these off more or not. Quite not sure. They look a little dangerous, but I just shut off the truck, so it's fully inflated. This is how much it is off the ground. So yeah, I think it looks pretty nice. Definitely transformed the look. Right now, I'm just gonna move on to these right here and on the other side as well, and then we'll be done. Alright guys, just finished everything. Everything went smooth. I really like how low this one is. It's really nice. Show you the other side. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.